Master task group in async and await to perform concurrent tasks in SwiftUI. Learn how to run and cancel tasks. In this tutorial, we'll be creating this application that retrieves some weather data using the Weather API and also retrieves some user data. The user has two options: to cancel a task or to get a task, as in run a task. So if we click on get data, this will retrieve the two payloads. As you can see, it retrieved the weather data for Tokyo, London and New York. If I click on it again, then click on cancel, the payloads will not be retrieved and they will be cancelled. Now I'll click on cancel. As you can see, the weather data task was cancelled, so it ignored the data that needed to be downloaded. So this is the feature that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will create the URL session and data task to fetch the data. Let task equals session dot data task. With the URL as the endpoint that we'll be using. Open bracket week self to reduce memory leaks and the retain cycle using self. Data response error in if self cancel flag equals true, then we need to show a cancellation message. Dispatch queue.main async self error message equals whether data was cancelled, ignoring data. If the task was cancelled, we need to exit the function. And then, if the task was not cancelled, we do the following. So we attempt to handle any network errors if the task wasn't cancelled. Dispatch queue. We need to be on the main thread. Should be async. Self dot error message equals failed to fetch weather data. and then we exit again because there was a network error. We will be creating on the course. The application includes 3 buttons on the main menu, which are Create To-Dos, List All To-Dos, or To-Do Stats. Clicking on Create To-Dos enables the user to add a new to-do. For example, I'll create one right now. The to-do is to collect relative from airport. Master core data and build real apps like to-do lists with notifications, pie charts, and address lookup. Learn advanced SwiftUI techniques and gain the skills to create professional apps. Join now and start your journey. So now, if there was no errors, we can attempt to extract the data from our payload. Let decoded response equals try JSON decoder code open web response itself. From data. On line 69, that should be data. The next thing we need to do is to create a weather data object from the decoded response. Let weather equals weather data, the overloaded one with the city name and temperature, decoded response dot name, int decoded response dot main dot temp. Dispatch queue dot main dot async self question mark dot weather data dot append weather. So what we've done there, we've updated the weather data array on the main thread. The next thing we need to do is to catch and handle any errors. Dispatch queue main async self error message failed to decode weather data. Next thing we need to do after line 89 is to type the following task.resume, which will start the URL session task asynchronously. data task dot append task, and then we store the task reference so it can be cancelled later. I'll just compile it. Compiled. So in the next tutorial, we'll add the function to fetch the user's data. Because at the moment, we've added a function to fetch the weather data, which is here. So the next function is to fetch the user data. And that's for tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.